Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a clothing brand logo on Kittl. The first thing you want to do is create a Kittl account if you don't have one as yet. I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to get started, and it is completely free. Once you're signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, I want you to either tap on templates from the top left hand corner, and from there you could select logos, or you can tap on logos right here. After doing that, you'll be redirected to a new page, and you can select whichever one of these logos, and you can also see different type of logos that you can choose from. Since we would like to create a clothing brand logo, you can type in the type of clothing brand. So as you can see right here, you could select streetwear logos and you'll see different options. You can also type in, or you could tap on fashion logos and you can see different options right there. You can also select t-shirt logos and you'll see t-shirt logos, or you can tap on clothing logos and you'll see different templates that you can choose from. So there are numerous categories that you can choose from, as you can see there. Once you have found one that you like, let's say for example this one, you can select it and you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to add your own personal touches. And if it is a case that you don't like it, you can tap on generate logos from the left hand column and you could use their AI feature to generate a logo for you. Now, to edit it, you can select any section. So you could select the text, you can select anything you want, and you can go over to the right hand column. For example, we could change the color by tapping on the color right here, and we could change the color as you can see right there. So you can select each section and you could edit the color. You could also change the text and add in your own brand name if that is the case. And if you have a particular image or element that you'd like to upload, you could select uploads from the left hand column and you could upload it and add it to the design. If you would like to explore other elements, you can tap on elements and you can view different elements that you can quickly add. You can also add additional text by tapping on text from the left hand column. You could add additional text. Once you're finished, you'll tap on download in the top right hand corner. Then you'll tap on download once more. And that is it. You have now created your clothing brand logo and you can download it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button.